Today's bit of adventure is going to find us on the island of Sumbawa, Indonesia. Long, long ways from pretty much anywhere. We're going to take a little helicopter ride from Sumbawa over to the island to the west called Lombok. We're all set early in the morning, loaded on the chopper, lift off. Indonesian pilots and ground crew for these helicopters are excellent. I never felt any qualms about flying with them at all. Since I am a pilot myself, and I'm usually a little bit nervous when other people are flying, I think that speaks well of these people. We're over a place now called Beneti Bay, getting ready to leave Sumbawa proper, head out over the strait. Next landfall we'll make will be little islands. Here's one off of Lombok itself, a little fishing village. A lot of small islands off the coast that are heavily populated. Just houses just jammed in there like you wouldn't believe. The those little white dots down there are fish trap houses on stilts. With elaborate net setups beneath them, and they check those every day for fish. So here we are over Lombok proper. And Lombok Island is the point on the Indonesian archipelago where climate changes from the hot, wet, humid jungle type thing we all imagine often for places like this, to a more of a hot, arid, dry climate that will continue all the way down to Australia. But it's nice and cool up here. Lombok, as well as most other areas in Indonesia, is very heavily cultivated. People here grow their rice and other staples that they need, and they have a tough time of it. The land here is not as rich as one might suppose, and it's a tough go for them. All the villages here, they've got their local markets, their mosque, and all in all, I thought it was a pretty pleasant place. We are approaching Mataram Airport. This airport's now closed to civilian traffic. There's a new airport has been built about 20 kilometers away. This old original airport is now only used by the Indonesian military. It was at the time, however, a nice facility, nicely done, and you could get connections and flights from this small airport to pretty much anywhere in the world. The pilot sets us down nice and easy. As I said before, these guys are really good. There's our bird. Day's not quite over for us yet. We're going to head for our hotel, have some supper, sit out on the beach, and watch the sunset. Sunsets here are beautiful, sublime. And here on Lombok, we get to watch it as it sets over Bali. The ocean at Lombok Strait's so peaceful tonight. Beautiful. There's Mount Agung on the island of Bali for our final farewell.